Hi everyone, I'm Jameson. I am your Diecast doctor. Today, our patient is very much not critical. This I'd call the boo-boo level of repair. This is also cheating a little bit. This is a big boy. This is 1/12 scale. This is a Ferrari Dino. And as you can see here, we've got just a few broken bumpers. But we mainly have broken tabs. These little pins. Now, the best way to fix this with the broken pins still in the car is I find you need something to kind of take up the space between the bumper and the body, and hot glue seems to work best. So let's get started. Let's glove up. Now, the Ferrari Dino is kind of interesting, the backstory. It doesn't have the Ferrari prancing horse on it, and for most of its life it wasn't really considered a real Ferrari, and it didn't have Ferrari values. You could kind of buy them cheap because they were looked down upon, but over the years they've been embraced more as, you know, a real Ferrari, and they're a few $100,000 now. So here I am working on a real Ferrari, prancing horse or not. So this is going to be a quick, easy one. You know, not everyone who comes onto my little surgical plate here is a critical patient. So this will be nice and easy. So we'll do a few dabs of hot glue right here on the front bumper. We'll do one bumper at a time. Okay, remember, strike while the pan is hot with this glue. Let it set for, say, 30 seconds. We'll worry about the extra glue little nubs afterwards. I've shown you before how those little threads come. There's a little bit of some threads right there. Start pulling those off. Alright, one bumper already done. What was that, 30 seconds? Nothing to be afraid of. Just be as liberal as you need to be with the glue. Let's do the left side bumper. One dab there. And one dab there. Again, hold for 30 seconds. And it's on. Start removing some excess glue. And this is actually not a car of mine. I do have this car in red. Again, this is by the brand KK scale. This is 1/12 scale, so it's actually die-cast, non-opening die-cast, but does have steerable wheels. My friend bought this at auction. It was misboxed. It was said it was by the brand GT Spirit, which makes resin, and this is, again, die-cast. So sometimes you just get a car with a questionable history. So this bumper came with the little tab off, but it's a compression fit, so we'll put that back on. Nice and easy. Now this has one intact pin. So let's see how that'll go back together. I think I'll just put a little dab of glue where there's no pin after a little test fit like that. Okay. Let's see, hopefully I put that on straight enough. Remove our excess glue again. And we have a nice intact car. For an auction car with a questionable history, this came in pretty good shape. 100% intact. So that is a good result for our patient. And I'm going to have a happy friend, a happy client. So that's it for this week. Again, this was a nice, easy one. They're not all going to be critical. So that's it for Diecast Doctor. Everyone, like and subscribe, and please have a good one.